Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing this Android head unit from SEICANE, and it works on any car, even if it's an older car with no Android Auto or CarPlay. Let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what it looks like. Largest model they have, I believe it's 10-inch, so it's very wide. You can see right here it has a protective screen cover on it that you will peel off when you use it. It's got 3M tape on the bottom base, and it just kind of set it on some flat part of the car, and that's going to allow you to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto on any car, which is very convenient. They also include this HD backup camera with a really long wire, a long aux cable. Here's a charging cable over here, and then they have this for instructions, which you can use to scan the code. Okay, so this is how I have it set up currently. It's super easy to install. Just go ahead and use the 3M tape on the bottom to stick the base, and then just hook it up to your cigarette lighter and you have power. So this is what the home screen looks like right here. It has a camera behind, so it's almost like a dash cam as well, and you can look at the recorder here and it shows you the footage that we have in the dash cam, which is right in front of us. You can adjust the angle of the camera, so that's pretty ideal. Right now it's pointed a little too high. So now the angle is a little lower and we can see a little more. This is a 4K camera as well for a dash cam, so it's very clear. You'll be able to get those license plates if it's very important for like a car accident. You can turn the screen off with the power button in the center. You got a volume knob right here on the left side. We've got our brightness control here, max brightness and minimum. And there's a setting area right here, which is useful to adjust your settings for the screensaver as well as the brightness settings. You've even got G sensors to sense a crash and start recording a video if you need to. So I was able to connect to CarPlay pretty easily. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions and then it'll connect automatically every time because it's wireless. And this is what it looks like so far. Now, I have the audio playing through FM radio because I don't have an aux in this car, or in this car we don't have an aux port, but you can also output it through Bluetooth. If your car has Bluetooth for audio or aux, you can do that. If not, you can use FM. Right now I'm using FM radio, so let's see the sound quality. Yeah. So this is the sound quality currently. It's okay. I wouldn't run this with FM radio. I would rather run it with Bluetooth or aux, just because you get the best sound quality that way. But if you're in a pinch, you don't have any of that, you can use FM radio. Steering wheel controls still work. If you want to go to the home screen, it's this one right here. So you just press home screen and your music still works from here, but the audio out menu is what you press and you can choose. So you have a speaker right here, and then this is your radio. If you choose FM, you have to set the FM radio. So I set it to 89.9 because there was less interference there. This would be aux, and then Bluetooth's over here. So we're just gonna keep it on FM for now. Overall, this is a good device for what you want to use it for, which is Apple CarPlay and having the dash cam. Overall, this is a really good way to get CarPlay in an old car, and it looks so modern. It's really thin. It has a dash cam in the back. I think that it looks really nice. Look how thin that is. It's like very modern, like a flat screen TV. Good size, not too small, not too big, just right. I think overall it's great, you know, to kind of set it up in your car and allow you to have CarPlay, Android Auto, whatever you may use, and also have a dash cam while you're at it. So this is from SEICANE. Really think that it's a high quality unit. Haven't had any issues with it so far. It connects every time to CarPlay. I think you should get one yourself as well if you have an older car. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you want to buy one of these for yourself. If you have any questions, please post them down as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.